Welcome back, first grade. If you are either in Miss Finney's class or Miss Kelly's class, then you're in the right spot because it's time for math. Let's get right into our materials. Okay, first grade, the materials that you all will need for today is a piece of paper, a pencil, and of course, your brain. If you need to pause the video to go grab those things, go ahead and do that right now. Great job. Now that you have your materials, let's talk about what we're going to do for today. Today, you guys are going to solve word problems that have unknown parts by using a number bond and a number sentence. So yesterday and the day before, you guys did some practice with unknown parts. You didn't know your part, you knew your whole, and you knew one part, but you didn't know the other part. So today, you guys are going to do some more practice like that, but this time, we're going to do some word problem practice. Let's get into our first couple examples. Okay, friends, for this first example, Miss Finney will be modeling how I would solve this problem, and then I'll do one more, and then it will be your turn to solve. All right, friends, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to read my word problem. All right, turn those listening ears on. Shh, shh. There were 8 ducks in the pond. Some more came to the pond. Now there are 15 ducks in the pond. How many ducks came to the pond? Now, when I solve this problem, I like to think about what's happening in my story. I know that there were 8 ducks in the pond, and then more ducks came to the pond. Because more ducks came to the pond, I know that my number is going to get bigger. In my story, it even said it. It said now there are 15 ducks in the pond. Well, because my number got bigger, I know that means I am adding. So I'm going to show you a really cool way that I can use whenever I'm figuring this out. I'm going to use the strategy counting on. I know that 8 is a part and 15 is my whole. That's the most ducks that's in the pond. I didn't see any more than 15 ducks, and I know that 15 is that whole. Okay, friends, I'm going to count on. When I count on, I'm going to put my part, which is 8, in my head, and I'm going to count on till I get to 15, which is my whole. When I do that, I should be able to get how many ducks came to the pond, because I want to know how many ducks came to the pond. All right, listen closely. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many ducks came to the pond? How many fingers am I holding up? 5, 6, 7. So 7 ducks came to the pond. I can show my work in a number sentence and a number bond. There were 8 ducks in the pond, more ducks came over, and then there were 15. Whoa, this is just like how I counted on. I started with 8 and I counted on until I got to 15. And that gave me 7 fingers, which tells me that missing part is 7. Whew! I'm not forgetting that I need to fill out my number bond. The very first thing I'm doing, do you see me adding these labels in? Whew, I have my whole. My whole was 15 because that's the most ducks that was in my pond. One of my parts was 8. That was how many ducks that were already in the pond. And how many ducks came to the pond? Well, 7 ducks came to the pond. This is how you can use a number sentence and a number bond to help you solve your problem using a story problem. Today, friends, if you want bonus points for your work, you can also make sure you have a statement. Remember, your statement answers the question, how many ducks came to the pond? So my sentence might be, 7 ducks came to the pond. Okay, friends, let's take a look at one more example, and then it will be your turn. Okay, first grade, I have another example for you all. It's another story problem, and we want to think about what's going on in this story. Will we be using addition? Will we be using subtraction? What's it going to be? All right, turn those listening ears on. There were 18 people in line to go into the store. The store let some people in. Now there are 9 people waiting in line to get into the store. How many people did the store let in? Woo! We have to figure out how many people the store let in. Okay, friends, I'm going to start by looking and thinking about what's happening in my story. Well, I know that there were 18 people who were in line. and the store let some people in, and now there's 9 people waiting in line. So that means that some people got to go in. If I have 18 people, some got to go in, and some are still waiting in line. That is kind of telling me that my number is probably getting smaller. If we start with 18 people, and then we're left with 9, that means our number got smaller. Let's take a look. If our number is getting smaller, that means that we are subtracting. So wait, let's see. There were 18 people in line. Some people went in the store. Do we know how many people got let in? No. And now there's 9 people in the store. I'm going to show you a strategy I'm going to use to help me figure out what my mystery number is and how many people got let into the store. I'm going to use that counting down strategy. I'm going to start with my 18 and count down until I say that number 9. I'm going to use my fingers to help me. All right, listen and watch closely. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Oh, I got to 9. And wait, how many fingers am I holding up? I'm holding up 9 fingers too. So does that tell me that 9 people got let into the store? Let's double check and see. Yeah, 9 people got let into the store. Woo, look at that number sentence. Ooh, now let's fill out that number bond to make sure we have all of the pieces we need. You see, Miss Finney's drawing those labels first so that I know what's going on. Our whole was 18, because when we subtract, we always start with our whole. There were 9 people that got let into the store, and then there were 9 people who were still waiting in line. Friends, that's one way you can use to solve your story problems. I know yesterday we used a couple different strategies. We've used counting on, we've used counting down, we used some things that you have maybe in your house like avocado or orange or a pen of some sort. So you guys can figure out whatever way you guys want to use to help you whenever you're doing your story problems. All right, friends, let's get right into our work for today. Okay, friends, here are our 2 story problems for today. Today, you should solve both of the word problems by doing a number bond and a number sentence. If you want extra bonus points, you can write a statement too. Remember, your statement answers the question in your story problem. Okay, friends, I'm going to read the first one. You can pause it after I read it, and then you can do your work and then hit play so you can hear me read the next one. Okay, friends. Remember, if you need Miss Minnie to repeat the problem, you can rewind on that video. All right, I'm going to read the first problem. Are you ready? Nathan made 20 party favor bags for his birthday party. He gave some away. Now he has 14 party favor bags left. How many did Nathan give away? Now is a great time to pause, do your work, and when you're finished, you can hit that play button to hear the next problem. Okay, I'm going to read the second problem now. Victoria picked 8 flowers in the morning. She picked some more flowers in the afternoon. She now has 17 flowers in all. How many flowers did she pick in the afternoon? This is also a great time to pause. If you need to rewind your video, that's perfectly fine. Miss Finney's going to sign off at this point. Remember, at the end of the day, make sure you take a picture of all of your work and send it to your homeroom teacher. So either myself, Miss Finney, or Miss Kelly. You can send it on email, Remind, or Seesaw. Also, friends, please don't forget to do specials. Specials, you can access specials and go to the links. If you go to the McGlone website, you can click on K2 Specials and see all of your specials teachers. Make sure you're also going to watch all of their videos and do all of their work as well. All right, friends, you did such an amazing job. Have a great day. Bye.